Now the next topic is what is a molecule. Atoms of same element or atoms of different elements are combining in a simple whole ratio, okay, and forming molecules. Clear? We can see some examples. Oxygen is combining with oxygen, we get O2 molecule. Nitrogen is combining with nitrogen, we get N2 molecule. Two hydrogens are combining with oxygen, we are getting H2O molecule. Carbon is combining with two oxygens, we are getting CO2 molecule. Clear? So from here we can say atoms are generally molecules are generally group of atoms, and these atoms can be from same element or can be from different element. Clear? And these in this group these atoms are chemically combined with each other, okay, they tightly held together by attractive forces and they form molecule. Clear? So a molecule can be defined as the smallest particle of an atom or a compound of an element or a compound that is capable of an independent existence, and this is showing all the property of that substance. Clear? So here what we got so from here we got a molecule is in general a group of two or more atoms that are chemically bonded together, that is tightly held together by attractive forces. A molecule can be defined as the smallest particle of an element or a compound and which has independent existence. And these molecules are showing all the properties of substance. Clear? So atoms of same element or of different elements can combine to form molecules. So what is molecule? Molecule can be defined as the smallest particle of an element which has individual existence. I hope you got.